Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Golf Style TSI. This sleek white hatchback offers a powerful 1.5-litre petrol engine with manual transmission, perfect for a smooth ride. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and safety features such as multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With luxurious interior trim and a chrome package adding style, this Golf has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit www.connorcassidycars.ie for more information.